project with my community just a few days ago, and I went on to do research, and what I found was I was wowed because this particular project is something that a lot of people should not sleep about, that everybody should farm with the whole of their mind. And you can see that this project currently has over 2 million individuals that are mining it, and currently I've only been able to mine 1,400 and something. What has actually helped me to able to mine this 1,000? A lot of cool updates that is actually coming in this particular ecosystem. I'll be sharing with you in this particular. So, and if you are mining this particular token called the LTLG, we are actually mining two tokens. I will actually explain it at the end of this particular video. That's why you need to watch this particular video today. Somebody talked to me in my community that it's finding difficult to mine this particular project, and that's why I created this video, and I will share with you some verification you need to actually complete it ASAP. So if you have actually used my link, I'll be dropping my link in the description and the referral code for you to get some welcome bonus. I'll be dropping it in the description and also in the comment of this particular video. After you have done your registration, you will see an interface like this. You tap to this particular place, and this particular one is not for the low-hearted people at all. No, because I will be explaining some certain things for you, which this is not an airdrop that you can just be doing the way you like. So after you tap on it, it will bring you to this place. You tap this, you tap on mine, so you will allow it. You see, yes, this is just how to do it. If you want to start mining, you see I've earned 30 ITL. So remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell notification so you get notified anytime we upload another video. So currently now, you could see my base reward is 20 ITL. So base rate is 1 point this thing, and I've completed my woman hash rate verification, which is giving me, that's why I'm earning around 30. And you could see I'll actually need to come back in the next 2 hours or so, less than 2 hours or so, to still mine. So you try to, as much as possible, to always check your mining section. So come to this particular aspect, you tap on this particular aspect. So I've actually done I am a woman verification, but what I am able to get is that another woman verification is still also coming. So when you come to this place, you need to do it, and you need to be very careful. I've actually completed my own. It's somehow tricky and difficult a little bit. So make sure that you actually pass through it and complete it. So if you want to copy your referral, you tap on this. One thing I noticed is that when I joined, I was unable to get my referral code and my this is my referral link now. This is my invitation code, and this is my referral link that I'm seeing currently here. So I was unable to see it until I was able to do my woman hash. Woman hash. It was when I was able to complete it that I was able to. So if you have actually joined, what you see is that you actually come to this woman hash. So you actually tap the referral code that I'll be dropping in the description of this particular video. You tap it in here. After you have completed your woman face verification that you are a woman, you come to this particular place and put the code that I'll be dropping in the description. You put it here and you tap on submit. Once you submit, that is only when and then you'll be able to copy your referral code. So that has been that. So that there's another thing I need to show you called this QR payment, which is another big thing. These people are actually building a big something that we actually help us in the crypto space. This one that you are seeing is to bypass the aspect of P2P, where you'll be able to, like this, some of your token, you'll be able to convert it to USDT and sell to somebody, yes, that will be able to get you your Naira. You could see now that Vietnam, Philippines, Nigeria, Nigeria. So you just need to connect wallet. I'll do more tutorial video on how to be able to connect your wallet. So if I tap on Nigeria now, you see it's covering over 100,000 plus merchant, convenient and fast. So I will still be doing more video on how to explain that and how you'll be able to use it, because there are a lot of scam ongoing on the P2P market. So as you can see, say scan and pay at your local shop and experience cryptocurrency payment freedom across real world and Web3 transaction. So that is that. So the last thing I would like to share with you is that when you come to this mine TLT token, you could see now that as now this is my active HHP, and this is my bonus strike. So if you're able to, if you are mining this particular project and for some days you're unable to be active, yes, for you to mine, apart from the coins that you are actually mining, some actually be burned, which will be reducted. So that is why I say this one is not for the faint-hearted. Is what you need to take very serious. You could see another one is say coming soon. Verify ITLG. So I'll be telling you more about this particular coin and how we can actually position ourselves to mine faster. If this video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, and click on the bell notification so that again, if anytime we upload another video. Thank you and bye bye for now.